Well, after unboxing the Vivo T1 series, here comes the Vivo X80 series, which includes X80 and X80 Pro. Today, I have both devices in the house, so what are we waiting for? Let's unbox now. What's in the box? The X80 or X80 Pro headset, quick start guide, USB Type-C cable, charging adapter, SIM tool, phone case, and a warranty card. Let's take a look at the design. Both look identical and come with a classic black color we call Cosmic Black. There's also an additional color choice for the X80 variant called Urban Blue. The only difference I can spot from the design is the rear camera. While the X80 comes with a triple rear camera with 50MP main camera, 12MP ultra-wide lens, and 12MP portrait lens. The Pro variant sport a quad rear camera with 50MP main camera, 48MP ultra-wide lens, 12MP gimbal OIS, 8MP periscope. As for the test pack, they both have the same 32MP selfie snapper, 6.78-inch screen with up to 120Hz refresh rate and 1000Hz touch sampling rate, 12GB of RAM, 256GB of internal storage, up to 4GB of virtual RAM, 80W flash charge, IP68 water resistant V1 Plus chip, Fun Touch OS 12, 5G connectivity, and dual stereo speaker. The vanilla variant features a Full HD Plus AMOLED display, MediaTek Dimensity 9000 chipset, and a 4500mAh battery. On the other hand, the Pro model comes with a WQHD Plus AMOLED display, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, 4700mAh battery, and 50W wireless charge. Besides that, you can easily access your favorite apps straight from the lock screen with a 3D ultrasonic large fingerprint sensor. You can even level up the security with dual fingerprint authentication. As for the pricing, the X80 comes with a price at 3,499 ringgit or 4,999 ringgit for the Pro variant. So, which one would you go for? Don't forget to let us know in your comments below. Hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Deborah, and see you next time. Bye!